Okay, I'm ready. Here we go, folks. Here we go. We're moving. This plane is moving, and I am here in the cockpit flying this beautiful plane. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that's my hand.
We're coming back. We're coming back.
Wow. I'm flying. I cannot wait to do this. This is the best day of my life, folks. I am in the cockpit of a plane. Literally getting ready to fly, folks.
Absolutely.
Man, my co-pilot is texting me. I'm the co-pilot. He's the pilot.
No. You're in the captain's seat.
Wow, man, this is amazing. This is one of the best days of my life. To have me in here under the cockpit. Let me just take it down to that. To have me in the cockpit flying, this is, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it.